Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the camera app. This is the fastest path. Once the camera is open, point the lens at the QR code area and keep steady. If scanning doesn't begin, tap the gear icon or 3 dots for camera settings and enable Scan QR codes. This turns on background detection. Make sure camera permission is granted to system and relevant apps so the phone can read codes without extra prompts. Doing this avoids repeated app switching and speed scanning. Once camera scanning is set, check Xiaomi Tools. Swipe up to open App Drawer and tap Tools Scanner, or pull down Quick Settings and tap the scanner tile. If you don't see it, edit tiles and add scanner for one-tap access. Position the code in the scanning frame, hold the phone steady, and move to about 10-30 centimeters until the device recognizes it. If needed, switch to flashlight for low light. This improves contrast so the decoder can read the pattern reliably. You complete the process by tapping the detected result to open a URL or copy text. Make sure to review the link before tapping. If nothing appears, close camera, clear camera app cache in Settings Apps, or restart the phone. These steps reset permissions and background services. If problems persist, install a reputable third-party QR scanner from Play Store and grant camera access. This often bypasses broken system decoders. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.